Hey guys, we are going to have a Zoom art club meeting to finish off our year. And so there's a few things I need you to do. I'm sending everyone through email a Zoom sign up form and it has the date. The date we're going to do the meeting is Thursday, May 7th at 8 p.m. We're going to make a Mother's Day gift since I'm a mom. So, of course, that's what we want to do. What you need to do, that form that I send you, you need to fill it out by Tuesday at noon. And basically, it just tells me if you're coming. If you're not planning on doing it, then don't fill it out. But the reason I need you to know if you're coming is because I have to deliver some supplies to you. So I need to know as soon as possible if you're going to be a part of it. Sign up on the Google form. Make sure you have good markers. So when I say good markers, I'm talking like Sharpie likes. And colors would be nice. But you could just do this in black and white. So if all you have is a black Sharpie, that'll be cool. Let's see if I can get these in here. Yeah, Sharpies, not Crayolas, not washable markers, not the cheapo ones. They need to say permanent marker on these because what we're doing is we're making a Zentangle on a puzzle. So you're each going to get a puzzle like this, and they're just a little bit slick. So Crayola markers rub right off. It would just be a waste of time. So make sure you have a Sharpie. And I'll have one done when we get to the meeting so you can see what it's going to be, and then I'll also do one with you. So you need to sign up on the forum. You need to make sure you have the right markers. You need to get a delivery of a puzzle from me. So sometime by Thursday afternoon, you should get one of these if you signed up, and then you need to be on the Zoom ready to go next Thursday. That is May 7th, I believe, at 8 p.m. And once I know that you're wanting to come, I'll send you the invite for it. And then we'll get together and we'll make this really cool gift. And it might take an hour, it might take a couple hours, but what else do you have to do? So we'll spend 2 hours together if you want to. And then you can give it to your mom for Mother's Day gift, or if you're that kid, you can keep it for yourself. So if you have questions, let me know. etool@usd108.org, or I think most of you have my phone, but just in case, 785-406-0497. And this is just for Art Club kids because we paid for this puzzle out of Art Club funds. So only if you're a member. So don't be inviting people that aren't a member. So there's a bunch of you though. So hope to see you there, and I hope we have fun together. Talk to you soon. Bye.